Service in New Orleans has issued a special marine warning for Lake Borgne, Mississippi Sound until 8 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:01 a.m. Central Standard Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 23 nautical miles north of Mississippi Sound to 9 nautical miles northeast of Rigolets, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots and suddenly higher waves. Boats could sustain damage or capsize. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. Locations impacted include Mississippi Sound and Pass Christian. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. A strong thunderstorm will impact southwestern Georgia and Stone counties through 7:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:34 a.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm 6 miles west of McKinney.